In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete message on Fiverr. If your inbox is getting cluttered or you just want to remove an old conversation from view, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can clear things out quickly and safely. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand what gets deleted and what doesn't. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr, then select the official Fiverr website from the results. Once you're on Fiverr, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your messages. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, head to your inbox. Look for the envelope icon in the site's navigation. Clicking that icon opens a quick view of your recent conversations. To get the full inbox with all available options, choose the See All in Inbox link. This takes you to the main messaging area, where you can manage every conversation in one place. Now, find the message you want to delete. On Fiverr, messages are organized by conversation threads, so choose the conversation that contains the messages you no longer need. Open that conversation, then look for the three dots menu. This is usually near the top of the conversation window and may be labeled as More or shown as a simple three-dot icon. Click the three dots to open the Options menu and select Delete. Fiverr will ask you to confirm that you want to delete this conversation. This confirmation is important because deletion removes the conversation from your inbox and can't be undone. To proceed, click Delete again to confirm. A few helpful notes before you finalize it. Deleting a conversation removes it from your own inbox view. It doesn't remove the conversation from the other person's inbox, and it won't cancel any active orders or remove order details. If you think you might need the information later, consider reviewing order pages or saving any important files first. If you're unsure, you can also use archive features instead of delete, since archiving is easier to reverse. That's it. Your selected conversation is now removed from your inbox. If a contact messages you again in the future, a new thread will appear automatically. Repeat the same steps for any other conversations you want to clear. Thanks for watching. If this helped you tidy up your Fiverr inbox, keep these steps handy and you'll be able to manage messages confidently anytime.